Man has trouble going to the bathroom for 22 years, until doctors remove 30-pound monster from him. All throughout our lives, we always make sure that we eat healthy food and follow a healthy lifestyle so we can live longer and healthier. But what if you always struggle every time you go to the bathroom? Constipation is something that we're dreading to experience, but what if we have to go through more than that for decades? This is exactly what happened to a Chinese man diagnosed with Hirschsprung's disease. Hirschsprung's disease affects the colon or large intestine. This condition makes it difficult for an individual to have regular bowel movements. This disease starts from birth, and unfortunately, the individual has to live with it for the rest of his or her life. Surgery can correct the problem, but without proper treatment and diagnosis, the person can suffer for a long time. This man, who remained anonymous, suffered Hirschsprung's disease for 22 years. He can only pass a very small amount of stool at a time, and the rest has started to build up and get stuck inside his intestines. Dr. David Rosenfeld explained that this patient began to look pregnant. The patient was not able to receive the adequate treatment for this long, and his fecal matter just continues to back up inside him and made his life miserable. The man eventually needed to undergo surgery, and the doctors were shocked by what they pulled out of his body. After 22 years, the doctors were able to remove 30 pounds of backed up waste inside the man's system. After the successful surgery, the man was 30 pounds lighter. The doctors explained that he's lucky that this buildup did not cause his colon to rupture. If it did, it could have cost his life. This is because if the fecal matter managed to leak out of his colon and had gotten into its bloodstream, it would have been instant death. He was battling with this condition for decades, but it could have gotten much worse if he continued to ignore it. This is why doctors always advise us that if symptoms appear, to get checked out immediately. Never ignore it and wait until it gets worse. It can possibly have disastrous consequences. The man's story was shared on Mail Online, and many readers shared their reactions to what the man suffered. Other people were also wondering how this Chinese man was able to avoid infection and blood poisoning. Some have suspicions that he was using laxatives to at least empty his colon, but enough to prevent it from rupturing. Still, it might have been a very small margin, and he was very lucky that he'd gotten help before it was too late. One of the readers shared that her son also has a similar condition and was diagnosed with Meckel's diverticulitis. He was constipated all the time, and he was not diagnosed until he was 14 years old. She also shared that some people were making jokes about her son, not knowing that it's a serious condition that's not only embarrassing but also painful and can be deadly if untreated. She also wrote, "To the people making jokes, be more sensitive. It could have been you or a loved one."